almost skipped this tool completely, but after testing Cynema AI for a while, something weird happened. I got results, but not in the way I expected. And honestly, there's something about this tool that nobody is talking about. So before you even think about buying Cynema AI, watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to show you what Cynema AI actually does behind the scenes, the one thing that can either make you money, or waste your time, and why most people using this tool will fail. But a few will absolutely crush it, and I'll also show you exactly what I tested, step by step. Now first, let me be very clear, Cynema AI is not some magic click and earn tool. If that's what you're expecting, you'll be disappointed. But if you understand how to actually use it properly, this can become something very powerful. So when I first got access to Cynema AI, I thought it was just another overhyped AI video tool. You know, generate videos, upload, and hope for results. But when I started using it, I realized this tool is actually doing something different. But before I show you what makes it different, you need to understand where most people go wrong with tools like this. Most people think, AI will do everything for me, but the truth is, AI only works when you give it the right direction. And this is exactly where 90% of users fail. So here's exactly what I did. I used Cynema AI to create content based on a specific angle, not random content, and within a short time, I started seeing engagement coming in. Not crazy viral, but definitely enough to prove something is working. And here's the interesting part, the videos it creates are actually optimized in a way that makes them more engaging than basic AI tools. But there's a catch. If you just generate content and do nothing else, you won't get results. So let me be honest with you, Cynema AI is not beginner-proof. You still need basic understanding, consistency, and a proper strategy. Otherwise, you'll just end up like most people, quitting after a few days. Who should use, should not use, so who is this for? If you want to create content fast, if you're into affiliate marketing or faceless videos, and if you're willing to actually test and learn. But if you're lazy, or expecting instant money, this is not for you. Now here's the thing, this tool has one major weakness, it doesn't show you how to turn this into real income consistently. So what I did, I added 2 bonuses that fix this exact problem. Bonus 1, Cynema AI Live Event, where you'll see how 6 figures are generated in 60 days using this system. This alone is worth more than what you're paying for the tool. Bonus 2, Cynema AI 1K Payday. This is a complete blueprint showing you how to build a real online income system, how to drive traffic, and how to actually convert that traffic into money. So you're not just using a tool, you're building a system. So after testing Cynema AI, here's my honest conclusion, this tool does work, but only if you treat it like a system, not a shortcut. If you combine it with the right strategy, it can actually become a serious income tool. So if you want to check it out, I've left the link in the description, and if you decide to get it, you'll also get all my bonuses for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.